Hi, I'm Stephanie, a solution architect here at Eggplant, and welcome back to eLearning with Eggy. Eggy's been on a hunt for some real estate, but can't seem to make up his mind about what he should be shopping for. I think Eggplant DAI will be able to help. Let's see how with generated versus non-generated variables. So what I'm going to do is talk about generated versus non-generated variables. And explain the difference between the two and when you'd want to use one over the other. So for generated, what the AI will do is it will select a value from your list every single time you do a run. So as you can see here, we've got flat, house, and terraced. So let's see what that would look like. So you can see we've selected house from the range flat, house, and terraced. And if we do another run now, we've selected house again. And 3 times the charm, we've selected terrace from that range. Now let's imagine Eggy doesn't want a terrace house. He wants a house. In this case, what we can do is we can assign a value so that we select house. So if I go into my action search, I've got the option to do that here. So I can say set, and then I can say house. And let's click play. So as you can see, we have indeed selected house, but we also select flat from a range. We don't want a flat, we want a house. So the last step in terms of what I need to do is to change this to non-generated. This way we tell the AI, I don't want you to generate a value, I just want you to use the value that I've assigned for that variable. So let's click play again. And then perfect. Eggy's got a brand new house and we haven't selected a flat. So that's generated versus non-generated. Thanks for checking out this week's episode of eLearning with Eggy. Tune in next week for some more tips and tricks. Bye now.